this is the glue cartridge. There is a quick connector on the head of the glue cartridge. Put the whole glue cartridge into the sleeve. After putting it in, this piece is a lid that covers the sleeve. This is where the air pressure is connected. The glue will be squeezed out by gas extrusion. And this hose is a fast interface to traffic. The other end of this pipe is plugged into this rubber valve. After the connection is completed, the connection is complete. You can control it to extrude glue. Then when you replace it, after unplugging this piece, then put this sleeve. Take out the hole, then change another glue cartridge. Repeat the above process and reconnect the hose.
Okay, let's go file management use and import the file name. Confirm. First we select up 9. Okay, we move the gun point to the first position.
你不说画圆要取3个点啊，或什么的，说一下。
这个没所谓。Okay, after we confirm these positions,
在产品上选3个点。
we enter and add cycle. Then we move it to the point 2, the second position. Okay, then we enter and add 9. You can switch the speed and move the gun point to the 3 positions, and then enter and add. Select 0. Enter, save, bike, and so 0. Then we start and test. The speed can be adjustable. We can adjust the walking speed, and you will see it will be faster.